Hello everyone. I wish you a very happy and prosperous New Year 2021. On the onset, the New Year started up with a bang for me. I'm extremely delighted and humbled to share that I share the dais with the eminent personalities for the most admired Global India 2020 in Passion Vista. Global Indians are making the country proud by their work and services, the uniqueness in their approach, the selfless service, the dedication towards their goal, the desire to always keep moving with their best foot forward, have and make their achievements worthwhile with each passing milestone. All this put together definitely makes them selected few amongst other, and I feel completely honored to be called amongst those in the league of most admired global women's 2020. The experience is completely surreal for something so prestigious and impeccable. When you make your country proud at the global platform and stand out amongst the rest, where people look upon you as your true inspiration. The feeling of pride and passion to drive the digital ecosystem is incomparable. With the launch of Digital Edify, an indie global company, in the times of COVID-19, user behavior has evolved digitally across categories and have canvassed greater need for a business to evolve for digital transit to transformation. I believe I feel very lucky in the way that how the business has come up with, where we are helping businesses to transform into a global design thinking and digital transformation business unit by the help of Digital Edify. Talking about the youth who are the stars for tomorrow, I don't see a gap here where we say that there are born superhumans or supermen or superwomen in the hustle bustle of today's life. It's just that how you create an equilibrium between your personal and professional life. Similarly, what I would say that if you have your free thoughts, just let them flow, discuss your ideas, innovate, and work towards achieving your goals. Create a to-do list, work towards creating a stride between both, and do not neglect either of these two, just work in sync with these two. You can take this as a tip. In today's world, I think I can think of none other than as my role model or the superwoman whom I am completely awestruck about is the terrific Miss Indra Nooyi. She being an Indian American business executive, Chief Executive Officer of PepsiCo, she has been constantly ranked amongst the top 100 powerful women because of her strong leadership qualities and her people skills. Leaders have a lot of power and influence, and the way she has been able to rightly show the path with a right shadow of leadership. Her vision, the way she works, things like creating a vision, having courage of coming up with innovations, convictions, and unleashing the power of your people who come together makes her the most powerful leader amongst women. Passion Vista's initiative of rewarding and recognizing the Indian talent at the global level is quite remarkable. It not only spreads the word at the Indian level but also reaches for the most admired Indian at the global level, which is quite commendable. I wish Passion Vista all the very best in their future endeavors.